In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up shipping profiles on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Shipping profiles let you apply the same shipping settings to multiple listings, saving time and keeping your store consistent. Now, if you want to set up shipping profiles on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website or app and sign in with your email and password. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager to access your store dashboard. After that, go to Settings and then click on Shipping Settings. Now, create a new shipping profile. Click on Add Shipping Profile to begin. Enter your processing time based on how long it takes you to prepare orders. Then, add your shipping carriers, delivery estimates, and pricing details. You can also choose calculated shipping if you want more accurate rates. Once everything is set, click Save Profile. Finally, apply this shipping profile to your listings so the same settings are used across your products. That's it. Setting up shipping profiles on Etsy helps you manage your store more efficiently, reduce manual work, and provide clear shipping information to buyers.